Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. March 28th, 2018. Jay Cross here with still a frog in his throat. Maybe I'll lose my voice during the show. And don't worry, the guest, Jeff Doslick, coming up in a little bit. He can take over for me and just finish it out. That's my backup plan. He didn't know that, but now he knows, and he can, he can jump right in and help us. Maybe we'll just bring him in on the next segment, and we'll just throw something at him today. And we'll tell him what that is, and you coming up. Andrew, how you doing out there today?
Well, we're hanging in there.
Hanging in there?
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. Still not sick?
Knock on wood. Still not sick. Hanging in there. Being by you all week, I don't know what my chances are by the end of the week. So
nothing says you're friendly like when you guys say "get away from me" every time I see you. You know.
That's why I'm on camera all the time. I'm not within your vicinity right now.
Yeah, you're actually in a different state right now.
I am. In undisclosed location, I can't tell you.
Yeah, nope, can't tell you at all. Well, Andrew and I are gonna guide you through the show here. If I can get my words. Preston on vacay for the rest of the week, so we'll welcome him back on Monday.
Oh yeah.
And let's tell you what's coming up on the show. Lots of stuff to tell you about. Got a lot of headlines. A lot of stuff happened yesterday, so we're going to get you updated on a lot of upcoming stuff here in the city of Fitchburg, meetings, events, and more. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. Coming up in the digest, we're talking about spam and not in the can. No, we're talking about that spam that comes in emails. So we'll find out if Jeff Doslick is, what do you know about spam, Jeff? Anything? He wasn't even listening.
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Yikes. Yep, and then in that third segment, Jeff Doslick, Fitrona EMS, coming in, talking about falls and a few other pieces, including a retirement of a longtime Fitrona commission member. Yeah, I wasn't sure. Is it Fitrona EMS District Commission? Well, either way, we'll let Jeff tell you about that as well. But let's kick it off with your headlines, and we're starting with It's Ready, the notice of the open book. Yep, they've got a date for you. Open book will be held on May 2nd, and we'll go through May 16th. Weekday hours will be 7:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Property owners who have questions regarding their assessments can make an appointment with the assessors of the assessor's office at the City Hall by calling 270-4235. We'll also post up a link for any other information you might want to know for open book. But, get that date on your calendar so you can stop by if you'd like. All right, we've got a proposed Metro Transit route change to talk about next. On Wednesday, April 11th, the Metro Transit and the City of Madison Transit and Parking Commission will hold a public hearing at 6 p.m. to discuss proposed updates to the Metro routes that would go into effect in August. Routes 52 and Route 59 would affect Fitchburg. Interested persons are encouraged to attend the public hearing to give feedback. Consideration will be given to and views and comments expressed at the public hearing will be received, as well as written comments. Any additional information maps can be found at the website. This is right on our main page at the city's website, so you can see where those proposed changes are. And again, that's on April 11th. All right, the city engineer / director of public works and human resource manager positions, they're open. We've got the recruitment going on here. If you're interested in either one of these positions, the city of Fitchburg is working with GovHR to recruit for the positions of city engineer and director of public works. It's one position, and human resources manager. So check out the website for a link if you are interested, and join this great team. We got a team here. That's right. All right, informational meeting on the Longford Terrace traffic for improvements, calming improvements. That's coming up tomorrow night. This is your reminder again that this meeting is scheduled for 7 o'clock p.m., March 29th at the Fitchburg Community Center, 5510 Lacey Road. And, be there promptly at 7 p.m. and over in the community center. More information is available online. All right, you interested in you have a vegetable garden, don't you, Andrew?
I do.
Yeah, so do I. And this is cool. I was checking ahead here what's coming up in April in the library, and I found this one. This one's exciting here. The Vegetable Gardening 101 big dreams, small start. It's a good one there.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be held from 7 to 8 p.m. on April 2nd at the Fitchburg Public Library. Have you tried vegetable gardening but have been disappointed with the outcome? Yes. I think
Sometimes.
every gardener could say that, right? It's out of your control sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
But don't give up. In this talk, you will be introduced to the basics of successful gardening or vegetable gardening. Certified Master Gardener and volunteer from Dane County UW Extension will give this talk. Topics include maintaining your soil, using gardening journals to plan and evaluate your gardening efforts, planting seeds, mulching, and much, much more, it says. So, yeah, you're going
I
to
always
want to
have
this.
problems with weeds. That's my biggest issue.
Weeds.
Yep. And then it overtakes the entire garden.
I think so. For the few years I've lived at the current house that we're at, we finally figured out that we have the garden's kind of in a shade. It's like really sunny area, and then there is a shaded area, and the backside of the garden has never grown at all. Like no matter what we've rotated in there, finally figured out it was just enough shade that was
Nothing
causing.
can grow. Yeah, that'll happen.
So we're looking at changing it up.
I
Maybe
have to go to this this gardening 101.
yeah, maybe we should try to tape it.
Yeah.
You and I are interested. Let's
do
just
it.
make it work, right?
Let's do it.
All right. Get yourself signed up for that. All right. Last but not least, I just heard some more information about the flu. Actually, we could probably ask Jeff this. I mean, he's an expert, right? Immunizations. This is from the Fitchburg Senior Center. It's not just for kids. Are you up to date? Immunization recommendations keep changing, and new vaccines are being added to help stay healthy and reduce the risk of severe disease as you get older. And find out what shots are now available and recommended for adults, how to find out your own immunization record, and learn about the new singles vaccine for other health news. Bring your questions Thursday, April 26th, 11 a.m. I'm also throwing in the flu into this that, get your flu shot. It's gotta happen. So there you go. No registration for that one, by the way. So it's going to be a fun time. All right, that does it for the headlines. I've got to rest this voice here. We're going to open up the digest, and we're going to talk about spam. Not in the can, though. Stay tuned. You're watching Talking Fitchburg.